going on? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, what's up? My name is vianney.strick. Thank you so much for being here. As you can see by the title, today I'm going to be testing out the brand new e.l.f. X DUNKIN collection. I did get the PR box, so I have the whole collection for you guys, and I'll be swatching and applying and tell you guys all the products and all the prices. So I hope that you guys enjoy this video, and if you do, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to join my squad. Let's get into it. Alrighty, so let's get into it. I did take out all the products from the packaging, and I just wanted to say I am on e.l.f.'s PR list. No, this is not sponsored, it's not biased. Of course, I always tell you guys everything that I think. So, because I did take all the products out of the packaging, I'm going to go ahead and put my TikTok right here of me unboxing it. If you guys are interested in unboxing or just like more makeup content, follow me on TikTok and on Instagram. I like to put TikToks and Reels as well. We do have a lot of products to get through, so I think we're just going to go ahead and get started. Because I haven't used these eyeshadows, I think we're going to be using these first. So something to note that I just realized right now is that it seems like on the website, as well as this pamphlet that I have, that you actually have to buy all 3 palettes. It's kind of like a combo of palettes. So they're called the DUNKIN Dozen Eyeshadow Palette. It is $16 and they have 12 different shades. So this one is called Boston Cream, and so you have some mattes, a little bit of shimmer, and some sparkle. This one's called Strawberry Frosted with Sprinkles, and this is what that looks like. And then lastly, we have Chocolate Frosted with Sprinkles, and this is what that looks like. So because you do get them in a bundle, I'm going to go ahead and just try to use at least one shade from each palette to create a look. So I'm going to go ahead and prime my eyes with some concealer, set it with a powder, and I will be right back. So I'm going to go through this pretty quickly because we really are just testing out the formula. So first I'm going to go into the Boston palette and get this. It is a shimmery brown shade, but it's the closest like transition shade that I can find. So I'm going to go ahead and put that all over the crease, just back and forth. I'm going to go with a pretty light hand just to see if we can get a nice wash of color. Okay, so far the shade's actually really pretty. The sparkle doesn't completely like blend out. You can see a little bit of the sparkle, so it is really pretty. I mean, you could definitely use this as a transition shade the same way that I'm doing, but I feel like you could also use this as a lid shade because of that sparkle. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I'm not like very inspired by these colors, and yeah, that's just the truth. But I'm gonna grab the matte brown, the darker one, with a smaller brush, and I think I'm just gonna do the same thing. Let's do a little bit of a halo eye. So I'm gonna grab it and put it in the outer corner, and I'm also gonna put it in the inner corner, and I'm gonna go ahead and connect the two on the crease. Even though these shades are like not my favorite, the formula is really nice. So far it seems like it's exactly the same as the regular bite-size like shadows. Let's go ahead and try this one. It's kind of like a blue pinky duochrome, and I'm gonna grab it with my finger and I'm just going to apply it. It is really pretty though. It's a thinner formula. It's not as chunky as like the more glitter shimmer like, but it's applying on the eye really well. And now I'm gonna grab the one from this palette and put it on top, and I'll just mix them. It's just kind of hard to come up with a look because these shades don't really go together, but I wouldn't mind if they sold these separately because obviously the shades on the pan do go together more. But because they come in a kit, I just wish it was like a little bit more cohesive. Other than that, I do think that the formula is really, really nice. The mattes are pigmented, they're blendable. It's literally the e.l.f. bite-size formula. So if this color story does catch your eye, then go ahead and get it because it is a really, really nice formula. Obviously, we'll finish out the eyes when we finish out the base. So I'm gonna go ahead and just add some eyeliner mascara, and I'll be right back and we'll test the complexion products. Alrighty guys, so now that we're back, I wanted to go ahead and test out the lip scrubbers so that we did have it on our lips for a while before we applied some of the lip products. Here is a close-up. It is a twist up, and it smells like coffee, like straight up coffee. So this is $6. It's called the Coffee Lip Scrub, and it's supposed to exfoliate, smooth, and smells like Dunkin's original blend. Okay, so first you have to kind of rub off the first layer to get to the grittiness usually. Damn, okay, if you don't like the smell of coffee or heavy scents, don't get this. But if you do love the smell of coffee and the taste of coffee and sugar, then this is really nice. e.l.f. lip scrubs are really, really nice. They're easy to use because they're just twist up, and they always taste good and scrub really well. So this is looking really, really nice. Yeah, I mean, if you like e.l.f.'s lip scrubs and you just want one that smells and tastes like coffee, you're really gonna like this. I really do love the packaging of these, and they just look great. So I think I'm just gonna leave this here so that I have like a little bit of conditioning on my lips. Moving on to complexion. I feel like a lot of people are very excited about this primer. So this is called the Don't Forget Putty Primer. It is $12 and it is a smooth texture with a subtle donut scent with a soft focus finish. So I love the packaging, really, really cute. And this is what it looks like. I did swatch it for my TikTok and it seems like it's very shimmery. I don't really smell anything. I guess it does smell a little bit like donuts. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna apply the same amount that I usually apply with the e.l.f. Putty Primer. Ooh, this is adding a lot of pearlescence to my face. So far, it is very lightweight. It doesn't feel greasy. It's a little balmy, and so far it's looking really, really pretty. It actually added a good amount of like highlight. It does have a little bit of sparkle here and there, but overall it's just like a nice sheen and it feels good. I don't know if you guys will be able to tell, but it gives the skin some luminosity. Do I think it like covered up my pores? No, not really, but I think that it feels nice and smooth and added some luminosity. So that's pretty much all that I will say with that. I am going to go ahead and use my Rare Beauty foundation because it's my favorite to see how it looks under the foundation. I'm not going to lie, the one thing I'm very intimidated by is the sponge. Like, what the heck is this? It's cute, but does it work? I don't know. This is called the Strawberry Frosted with Sprinkles Face Sponge. It is $9 and it says blend and bake with this donut-inspired sponge. It is wet already, and I like the density of it. It's nice and soft, but the shape, I mean, I don't think you can, like, do that. So I think I'm gonna blend it like this. You definitely can't blend under your eyes. I do think it's cute. Do I think it's like user-friendly? Probably not. First, I'm gonna apply it on one side to see, because I'm worried about it soaking up my foundation. So first, let's just apply it on the right side and blend it out. What's going on? I mean, so far it is blending pretty well and pretty quickly because of how big it is. But let's see, let's try to get around the eyebrow. This is so weird. And then on the forehead. So yeah, okay. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side and then I will tell you guys what I think, and then we can also see how the primer looks under this foundation. Like, how am I supposed to blend my nose? I'm not gonna lie, it kind of stops your breathing for a second. Okay. By the way, this foundation's a little too dark for me. I see that now. Let's move on. Sponge, is it cute in theory? Yes, but it's not gonna be easy to use. I just don't think that this has a good function. Now, if you just buy the whole set, this is something cute to have. It's almost like a collector's item. But if you do need a sponge to like do your makeup, I don't think you should run out and get this because, I mean, even though it worked fine, this is about as good as it's gonna get. And also, like, I can't blend out my concealer with this. So because of that, I just think, I think it's cute if you get it in the package, but I don't think you need to go out and get this unless you just think it's cute. But if you want it for function, I would probably skip out on this. Other than that, I do think that the primer does look pretty under the foundation. It gave it a nice glow. And it looks good. The little bits of sparkle that was on my face is not like shining through. It really just gave it some like luminosity. So I do like that. So that primer is, it looks pretty nice on the skin. So thumbs up to that. Oh my god, guys, this always happens to me. I forgot to use the brushes. Okay. The good thing is that we still need to finish the bottom lash line, so we'll be using these brushes. So I guess all we have left is the lip glosses and these. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish out the rest of my face, and I'll be right back. We can finish out the eye look and I'll show you guys the glosses. Alrighty guys, I am back. We have a full face of makeup. Now let's go ahead and try the brushes. These are actually really, really cute. Okay, so very interesting. These are not on the pamphlet. Okay, so it seems like you can't get these brushes unless you buy the whole vault. So that's very interesting. So the eyeshadows you have to get in a pack, and the brushes you have to get in the vault. So I don't have a price for these, so obviously just if you do get the vault, you will get these. They're really cute. Again, these are such like collector items. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish out the bottom lash line with these brushes. So first I'm gonna grab this brush. I love these like fluffy pinched brushes. These are my favorite to kind of smoke out my lower lash line. So I'm gonna go ahead and go back to this palette, grab that medium brown shade, and I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of smoke this out. I will say the brush hairs are not the softest, not as soft as like other brushes from e.l.f. They're a little bit more firm, so if you do prefer more firm brushes, you're gonna like these. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab the smaller one and grab this darker brown, and I'm just gonna add a little bit of darkness to the outer corner just to give it a little bit more dimension. Okay, and I guess for the inner corner highlight, I'm gonna go ahead and use this white shade and with this little brush, and I'm just gonna apply it in the inner corner. This brush is definitely too big for the inner corner, but I'm just trying to use it because I totally forgot to use them. Alrighty guys, so the last products that we have are the lip glosses. So these are called the Glaze for Days Lip Gloss Set. It is $12 and you do get 2 shades. So again, this is also gonna come in a set. So you do get like a hot orange one, which I think would look very pretty for a lot of people. I personally would probably never wear this. I just don't think it goes with my skin tone, but I do love a hot pink. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this one. I'll just put this in a giveaway for you guys. But they do come in like little keychains. Again, you do have to buy them together. And it smells exactly like graham crackers. Like, it has a very, very strong smell. So if you do like scents, you're gonna like this. If you don't like scents, stay away from it. But it smells kind of like a graham cracker, which is a nice smell. So I'm gonna go ahead and take off the lip scrub that we have. And my lips feel so soft. So this lip scrub is really, really nice. So I think I'm not even gonna line my lips. I'm just gonna go ahead and go straight in with this gloss. It looks like such a beautiful shade. So pretty. This is such a beautiful shade. So for me, I'm just more of a pink kind of gal. Look how beautiful. And this is no lip liner, no nothing. So this is exactly how it looks. It gives me that like cherry popsicle lip tint vibe. I love it. So this is the whole collection on my face. I think if I had to pick my favorite products, it's probably gonna have to be the lip scrub as well as the lip glosses. These have just been my favorite overall. I do think that the putty primer is really nice. It's not gonna really smooth out your pores as much as the other ones, but this is like a putty style primer that gives you luminance, so I really do like that. It gives you that nice glow. And then I did enjoy the formula of these. So if you do like this color story, the formula is exactly like the Bite Size. It's really nice, pigmented, and blendable. The only product that I didn't love is the sponge. Again, it's a cute sponge, but it just doesn't really work for what it's meant to be, but I do think it's really cute. So overall, I do think it's a really cool collection. I know a lot of people are obsessed with Dunkin' Donuts, so I feel like e.l.f. always picks a company that everyone's obsessed with, so it's very, very smart. Like always, I will link everything down below. If you guys have any questions, let me know. But yeah, overall, I am happy with this collection. Thank you to e.l.f. for sending it to me. I hope that you guys enjoy the collection. Let me know in the comments if you do plan on picking up a product and which one. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love y'all very, very much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.